If you're just getting started and want an affordable way to film content, vlogs, or everyday moments with your phone, you're in luck. Insta360 just dropped the Flow 2, a smart and budget-friendly gimbal built for aspiring mobile creators. The Flow 2 is basically more an affordable version of the Flow 2 Pro, great if you don't need all the extra features. Now in this video, I'll compare both models and also include the DJI OM7P so you can see how they stack up. Now big thanks to Insta360 for sponsoring this video. So let's start with what the Flow 2 Pro has that the regular Flow 2 does not. Now both gimbals look very similar in terms of design, but the Pro version comes with a few extra features that can make a real difference depending on how you shoot. First, the smart wheel on the Flow 2 Pro supports both button controls and swipe gestures, while the Flow 2 only lets you use the physical buttons. The Flow 2 Pro also has a transparent design on the tilt arm, which gives it a more premium look. It includes a recording indicator light so you know when the camera is rolling, and it also has a selfie mirror that helps you frame yourself when using the rear camera. Another Pro feature is the tracking ring light, which lights up when tracking is active. It's a small touch but really helpful for solo creators. In terms of movement, the Flow 2 Pro supports 360-degree infinite pan rotation, while the Flow 2 is limited to a range of about -210 to 120 . The Pro also includes free tilt mode, which allows for more creative shots like crane or low angle moves. This mode isn't available on the regular Flow 2. Now software-wise, the Flow 2 Pro offers a few key advantages. One standout feature is the compatibility with the Apple Watch. You can preview your shot, start or stop recording, and even adjust your phone's orientation all from your wrist. And that's possible because the Flow 2 Pro supports Apple Dock Kit. Both the Flow 2 and Flow 2 Pro support NFC one-tap pairing, but they behave a bit differently. On the Flow 2, tapping your phone launches the Insta360 app. On the Flow 2 Pro, tapping with an iPhone activates Apple Dock Kit, enabling tracking in supported third-party apps. So if you're looking for more flexibility when it comes to tracking outside the Insta360 ecosystem, the Pro version gives you the upper hand thanks to the Apple Dock Kit support. So let's look at some of the shared features. Most of the tracking features are the same. The only big difference is that the Flow 2 Pro supports 360-degree infinite pan tracking, while the Flow 2 doesn't. But otherwise, you still get all the advanced AI tracking tools in the Insta360 app. First, there's the active zoom tracking, and this lets the gimbal follow fast-moving subjects, even from a distance at up to 15x zoom. It's super helpful for filming sports or anything with a lot of movement. Next is multi-person tracking. This is a great feature for vloggers or anyone filming with friends or family. The Flow 2 recognizes multiple people and treats them as a single group, keeping everyone nicely centered in the frame so no one gets cut off. Then you've got the Pro framing grid. This makes it easier to frame your shots using the 9 golden ratio framing guides. You can lock your subject into one of the boxes, which helps you achieve a more balanced visual. Then there's also the always in view feature. Just select the person you want to track and the gimbal will stay locked on them throughout the recording. Even if they get briefly blocked by something, it will automatically re-identify them once they're visible again and continue tracking without interruption. And finally, yes, animal tracking is supported too. Whether you're filming your dog running around or any other pet, the gimbal can track them just like it would a person or object, keeping them centered and in focus. When it comes to design, you still get the built-in selfie stick and tripod on the Flow 2. The selfie stick is perfect for vlogging or capturing creative angles. It lets you keep the camera further away, allowing you to fit more in the frame. The built-in tripod is super handy too. You can set it down on a flat surface for hands-free shooting, and it's great for time-lapse recording as well. Both support the zoom wheel, which lets you control zoom smoothly while filming. And for creative shots, there's the barrel roll mode, which creates that cool spinning effect, perfect for adding more drama to your videos. When it comes to setup, both models features the same one-step deployment, which makes it super quick and easy to unfold and start shooting right away. In terms of size, they're identical, they're compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, so you can bring it with you wherever you go. Now, if you go for the AI Tracker bundle, it includes the AI Tracker accessory, which lets you use tracking features in any third-party app, whether you're on iOS or Android. And that's especially useful since the Flow 2 does not come with Apple Dock Kit, so the AI tracker really expands your shooting options. So now that you know the difference and have seen what the Flow 2 can do, let's take a quick look at how it compares to the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, focusing on the most noticeable differences. While both gimbals offer app-based tracking, the Flow 2 offers more advanced tracking features. And these include active zoom tracking, multi-person tracking, and the Pro Frame Grid, features that are not currently available in the DJI Mimo app. The Flow 2 also supports animal tracking, which is a nice bonus if you have pets. Now, the DJI OM7P does have a standout feature of its own, most notably the multifunctional module. It works as both an AI tracker and a built-in wireless receiver for the DJI Mic Mini, making it a great option if you already are using DJI's audio system. Now, another noticeable difference is the tripod design. I found the Flow 2's legs to feel more stable during setup, and that is due to the longer legs on the Flow 2. Now, the Flow 2 also supports NFC pairing, which makes it easy to connect, and if you have a second phone, you can actually use it to remotely control the Flow 2 by scanning a code in the Insta360 app, a feature the OM7P currently doesn't offer. One feature I really appreciate is the built-in teleprompter in the Insta360 app. It's a game changer for creators who rely on scripts, especially when filming more technical videos. Unfortunately, the DJI Mimo app doesn't include a teleprompter feature at this time. So let's now talk about price. The Flow 2 with tracking features starts at $129.99. The DJI OM7P with the multifunctional module is $149. Now, if you're going for a full setup with a wireless mic, the Flow 2 with Mic Air comes in at $199.90, while the OM7P with the DJI Mic Mini costs $208. So while both options offer solid value depending on your needs, the Flow 2 gives you more smart features at a lower price. Now, of course, there's a lot more that could be said when comparing these gimbals side by side. If you want a more in-depth breakdown of the Flow 2 Pro, the DJI OM7P, and even the Hohem iSteady V3, I've made a full unsponsored comparison video where I go into much more detail. I'll leave a link below if you'd like to check it out. Insta360 has also released some exciting accessories that really enhance the shooting experience with the Flow 2 and Flow 2 Pro. First up, there's the Throw Pod. It opens the legs automatically like an umbrella the moment it touches the ground. It extends up to 1.14 meters, and when you combine it with the built-in extension pole, you can get the camera up to eye level, perfect for hands-free shooting. Then there's the magnetic phone mount. Unlike the standard clamp, this one snaps magnetically onto the back of any MagSafe compatible phone. I really love this accessory because it doesn't block your side buttons. It's super quick to mount, and it even has a hidden stand built in, so you can prop your phone up on flat surfaces. And unlike the magnetic mount on the DJI OM7P, this one is compatible with the AI tracker, which makes it more versatile. Another new accessory is the Mic Air. All you have to do is plug the receiver into your smartphone, clip the tiny transmitter to your shirt, and you're ready to capture high quality audio straight from your phone. So right now you're listening to the Insta360 Mic Air, and this is how it sounds like. I currently have it connected to my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I'm recording this video on the Insta360 app. Now, I'm currently in a forest. It's not too noisy. You might hear some birds chirping. It's also not windy. What I love about the Mic Air's transmitter is that it's super small. It doesn't attract too much attention and doesn't weigh down my shirt. And because it's black, it also blends in well with my t-shirt. Now, the best part about using a wireless mic like this is that I can be further away from the camera while still capturing clean audio quality. And this is especially great for instructional type of videos or behind the scenes videos, or if you do vlogging. And you can also see that I have tracking enabled, so no matter where I move, the camera will keep me centered in the frame. So let's now test out the noise canceling feature on the Mic Air. I currently have it connected to my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Currently I'm standing on the bridge. There are lots of cars passing by. This way we can test out this feature. So right now I have it turned off, but if I press this button twice over here, now noise canceling feature is enabled, and you should hear less of the background noise and my voice should be more present. And you'll know when noise canceling is on is when the LED light turns solid green. So yeah, this is how it sounds like. Let's now turn off the noise canceling so that you can hear the difference. And this is how it sounds like with the noise canceling feature turned off. And lastly, if you travel a lot, you'll love the backpack mount. It attaches easily to a sling bag, for example, or backpack strap, making it super quick to mount or detach the gimbal while you're on the move. Now, if a beginner would ask me which gimbal should I get to start my mobile content creation, I'd say the Flow 2 is a great option. At its standalone price, it offers everything you need to get started: quick setup, a built-in extension pole, and solid tracking features that make filming yourself or others much easier. You really can't go wrong with it. But if you're someone who wants more control, flexibility, and pro-level tools right from the start, then the Flow 2 Pro is definitely worth getting as a direct upgrade. You'll get extras like 360-degree infinite pan tracking, free tilt mode, and compatibility with Apple Watch control and dock kit, making it ideal for creators looking to level up their content. Now let me know in the comments, would you start with the Flow 2 or go straight for the Flow 2 Pro? Now if you want to learn more about the Flow 2 Pro version and how I use it to film cinematic travel vlogs, make sure to check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.